Hey everyone, this is my history lesson plan for a 5th grade classroom. So this lesson is based on a 45-minute lesson, and the objective is for students to learn about the first 10 presidents of the United States. They should be able to identify the order of the first 10 presidents as well as important facts about each of the first 10 presidents. So for this, we'd need PowerPoint slides and president's information and facts, which I have and I will pull up after this. And then we'll answer some questions throughout the lesson if they have any. Resources, we're going to need PowerPoint, Kahoot, and then the student will need a tablet or smartphone to do the Kahoot quiz. I'll need my laptop and internet access. And then students also are going to need notebook paper for note-taking for their own references later on. So first off, we are going to go over the lesson. All right, this is my student. He's going to learn about the first 10 presidents. He's going to take notes. We're just going to quickly go over this. Obviously, the first president is George Washington. He's going to write down that he's the first president, when he was in office, and then his fact information. Next, John Adams, second president. We're going to write down the same information and so on. We're going to do that for all of the presidents, and this should take, with a 5th grade class, about 25 minutes-ish. So, because they're going to ask more questions than my actual student's going to ask. Yep, we'll just keep going through these. We've got the first 10 all in order on the PowerPoint. So then next from here, we are going to give the students an opportunity to go over a Quizlet that just focuses on stating the first 10 presidents in order and then the years that they were in office, which I had those listed on the PowerPoints also, but so my student can look over this and study for his Kahoot quiz that he's going to take. Okay. Then next, I have a U.S. President's YouTube video, which we will start at the beginning and go about to 4 minutes. We'll just play this for a little while. Don't have to watch the whole thing.
As America prepares to elect its 45th president, this is Epic History TV's guide to the first 44 presidents. George Washington, hero of the Revolutionary War and America's first president, twice elected unanimously by the Electoral College. He steered America on a course of neutrality and stepped down after 2 terms. John Adams, lawyer, diplomat, and intellectual. He'd been one of the leading voices in the call for American independence by buying 800,000 square miles of territory from France.
The president's name, something
James Madison,
informational about them.
at 5'4", America's shortest president, but a towering figure in the fight to pass the U.S. Constitution and Bill of Rights.
And when they were
As president, he was forced to fight another war against Great Britain. John Quincy Adams, son of John Adams.
From here, we're going to go Kahoot quiz. So, I'll have my student start his quiz. Yeah. Nice try. Okay. Okay. So he missed one. Not too bad. So overall, that is my lesson plan. And I know I went a little over 7 minutes, but the Kahoot quiz took a little while. So thanks for listening, guys.